www.abotsworkforum.com. Welcome to the future, where robots and artificial intelligence are becoming an increasingly important part of our lives. One of the most exciting areas of AI development is in the field of content generation. Traditionally, writing and creating content has been a labor-intensive task, requiring hours of research and writing. But with the rise of intelligent robots, that's all changing. These robots are using advanced algorithms and natural language processing to analyze large amounts of data and identify the most relevant and valuable keywords for a specific topic or industry. And not only that, but they can even optimize the content for search engines, making it more likely to rank well in search results and attract more traffic to the website. But that doesn't mean that human writers are becoming obsolete. These robots are tools to assist human writers and editors, to save time and improve the overall quality of overall writing skills. With the continued advancement of artificial intelligence and natural language processing, we're likely to see more and more companies and websites using this technology to improve their online marketing strategies. The future is here and it's changing the way we create and consume content. And it's just the beginning of what AI can do.